Hi! On today's video I'm bringing you through my creative process of making this beautiful design of Paris. It is located more exactly in the 18th district, not so far from Montmartre, in Boulevard de Clichy. I let you enjoy the journey. Each of our designs starts with a sketch. There are different methods of starting an idea, but today I felt like starting straight with an ink pen, no rubber, no mistake allowed. I am using here a micron pen. It is a great practice for strengthening your skill of making lines. It also forced me to accept that my lines are not always so perfect and I like the style of it. I'm drawing now an old cafe of northern Paris. I took inspiration from a very old postcard and I thought it would be a good start with that. After that, I'm always able to add elements of my fantasy if I wish. There are literally no limits. Once I finish my drawing, I scan it, resize it to the size I want to stitch it, and make a print of it. After that, I cut the areas of the paper I don't want and cut a piece of fabric. Of course, I make sure to iron it and to make it nice and proper. Then I use carbon paper. I always reuse my carbon paper because you don't have to take a new one every time and you avoid useless waste this way. I tape both the paper and the carbon onto my fabric and transfer with a big pen and a ruler as it is a bit more difficult to make lines with the thickness of the carbon. Oh, by the way, if you are doing embroidery already and you would like to take the step of making your own embroidery design, we have a great masterclass for you. It's called Create Your Own Embroidery Design. It gives you in-depth of all the procedure of creating your own design. It goes from ideas, knowing about colors, perspective, compositions, and so on and so on. Moreover, you have the chance to have Eileen as your teacher with a clear and well-spoken explanations. I really encourage you to have a look if you'd like to take the step. It's on charlesandeileneacademy.com. At this point, I'm ready for embroidery. I put my fabric into the hoop and let's get stitching. So right now, I let you enjoy the relaxing show of this embroidery design. If you want, this embroidery pattern is available on our website, lookat.com. It includes the PDF design, a general stitch guide, a color code, and other information that you need for your future project. So you can head now on lookat.com to choose your next pattern.